Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to easily add a cover photo to your Truth Social profile. This simple process allows you to personalize your profile. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, click on the profile option to access your personal details. Once you are on the profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. After entering the Edit Profile section, locate the Cover Picture field and tap on it. Then, click on Choose a Photo. This will open your gallery, where you can browse and select the photo you want to use as your cover image. Once you have selected your desired photo, and finally, tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen to apply the changes to your profile. By following these steps, you will successfully add a new cover photo to your Truth Social profile, giving it a fresh and personalized look that represents you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides and tips.